And Suki's ready to come out of the tub.
She will be in just a minute.
Oh, good. Taking a video of Shelby when she sees Suki. This will be funny.
I'm gonna borrow this pen.
Okay.
You weigh a ton.
Go over to the dog. Getting dried off. That is a wet dog.
Suki.
And she's already hissing and growling. But she's peeking around the corner though.
Suki being a good girl.
Yeah. She's peeking around the corner, but she's growling.
That's her problem.
Yeah. Now she's quietly growling.
Yeah. What a good girl you were.
Yes.
I'm so proud of you.
There's the dog again. Interested in Shelby.
Good girl. Good girl.
She does not like this.
No, that's Shelby's problem.
I was going to say, Suki's being
being a good girl.
Yes.
Yes.
She's just curious.
Good girl. Yes, you are.
They're so close.
I don't understand you.
I can get them both in the frame.
All these cats in the neighborhood think I'm cute.
Yeah. Suki!
What do you think?
Nothing.
She's in a corner and Suki's barking at her. It's being cat and dog.
Mm-hmm. Suki's gonna get it.
She's not gonna hurt you.
No.
And so far. Alright, come on. Come on. I'm gonna clean up the cat.
Suki.